To apply clear hard wax oil, you need to brush around the edges first, follow the grain of the wood and feather in the edges of your brushing so you don't get any hard lines. Coat the room in sections with your roller, working towards the door. You need to use a close pile roller. A good tip is not to leave the rest of your oil or leave your keys on the window ledge the other side of the room, otherwise you will have to wait a couple of hours before you can go or before you can do the rest of the oiling. You need to be careful to work to the edge of the board in each of the sections you're working in, and that prevents lines appearing down the middle of the boards. When you're applying the hard wax oil with the roller, be careful to follow the direction of the flooring and not to leave any lines where the roller starts and stops, so you try and feather in with the roller just as you did with the brush. Don't apply a thick coat of oil. Thicker isn't better in the case of hard wax oil, it just makes it more prone to scratching. Only apply 2 coats of hard wax oil. You don't need more than 2 coats, although you will need to maintain those 2 coats. For the drying of the hard wax oil, once you've finished coating the floor, you need some movement of air to help the drying. For areas that get a lot of heavy-duty wear, it's a good idea if you're using Treatex Hardwax oil to mix a hardener in with the oil. This creates a harder surface which cures through a chemical reaction, not through air movement. Once you've finished oiling your floor, it's important to realise that you will need some ongoing maintenance to keep your floor looking good.